Namaskaram, Vanakkam. Hi everyone. Today we are going to make chicken biryani, Hyderabadi style or my style. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so the first thing I did was I kept water about 1 liter something, and I kept it for boiling. And once it's completely boiled, I have added coriander leaves and methi leaves, which is also called as fenugreek. And have added a little bit of salt because this is for making rice, alright. A little bit of oil, vegetable oil will do. In the meantime, I'm also prepping for the gravy, that is for the chicken. So take another pan and pour a little bit of oil, vegetable oil, or you can use ghee or even dalda will do, depending on your own choice. Okay, I'm trying to fast forward and all. So yeah, clove, bay leaf, stars, and fry it till it is. Fry the spices. Once you just for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes would do. After that, add onions. You can use white onions or red onions, but if you're using white onions, please take more the amount. If you're using like 4 onions of red, then use 5 onions of white. Add a little bit of salt so the onions will turn brown faster. It's a little bit of tip. I'm adding jeera. 1 small teaspoon would do. After that, add the soaked rice which you have kept it. Then stir it slowly so that the coriander, fenugreek and salt, everything mixes up well, and then close the lid. So parallelly try to stir the onion. So yeah, while making the video, while cooking on the Easter day, I have a visitor, an audience. He is the neighbor's cat, so he just came to say hi. And here I rush. Oh my, cooking is a hard job. All respect to all the mothers and all the people who cook. But I love cooking. This is the new hobby that I found out. So the expert is here, my great dad, who's checking whether the rice is ready. So you can use a spoon and take the rice granules and then press it. If it is soft, then it is ready. Then pour it to a net. You have to strain it, and the rice should cool down for the layering. And make sure you're always shaking it, otherwise it'll harden. So keep shaking it once in like 10 minutes gap. Try to keep giving it a stir. And now I'm adding green chilies. So my green chili, this is mom made. It's from her garden. So this is little less spicy, so I've added about 6-7. So it's according to your taste and how much spice you can handle. This has no spice at all, so I added so you can, if it is a spicy one, you can just add like 3 or 4. That's more than enough. Ginger garlic paste, I've used about 2 tablespoons. So ginger garlic paste, we buy the vegetables and then make it at home. So no shop brought preservative, nothing. It's natural again. Red chili. My red chili is actually not spicy, so I've added more. I have the spicier one, but then I didn't add that because when it is red chili, it gives you a color also. I've added garam masala and biryani masala, both 1 tablespoon each, according to your taste. So now stir it turmeric powder. I've changed the stove for a better view, but that didn't help. I should have kept it the other side. I'm adding coriander powder. Stir it well. Make sure everything is mixed. Okay, enjoy my dance. And then I've added tomatoes. Tomatoes I've used about 5. So yeah. Stir it well, mix it, and keep it for some time once the smell of the tomatoes are off. And if you are okay with the smell, then you can just keep it till it's little bit cooked. And then add curd, stir it well. After some time, add kasuri methi, which is optional if you want to. Then once it is a bit cooked, add chicken. You can use, I am using 1 kg chicken, you can use half kg or whatever you prefer. And I have taken the cut as biryani cuts. While the chicken is getting ready, I'm again coming back to give it a little shake. So I'm adding bay leaves because it gives you a nice aroma. So I added at the end. I added 2 times, first in the beginning and the end. And then I'm adding coriander leaves, the last little bit of touches here and there, like a great chef, which I'm not. Stir it. Be slow while you're stirring it because the chicken will be semi-cooked, so it can break out. So be careful. If you like gravy, then add a little bit of hot water, and don't use cold water because you should have the same temperature. If you don't like gravy, you can keep it dry because chicken anyways will give out a little bit of water, so the cooking process will be smooth. So here comes the professional of boiling eggs. Please check the chicken whether it's cooked or not, because once it's cooked, your chicken gravy is ready. Meanwhile, take a big pot to make the biryani. To make your own color, take 2 tablespoons of milk and a pinch of turmeric. Time for layering. This is an audio help if you guys are single-handedly making the biryani. You can use your earphones and then do the layering. You don't have to keep watching the video. So the easiest way is, first pour dalda, ghee or vegetable oil, whichever you like, whichever is your preference. I have used ghee. Next, second step is just chicken, the gravy which you beautifully created. Put that, set it properly, then add coriander leaves. Next, third step after the coriander leaves, that is your rice, which is cooked. Set it. This is a new method that I've learned about biryani mixing. You have to just touch and pull it back. So touch the lower side of the pot and pull it back. So the curry will actually give you a color. Do not mix it completely. Just a little bit of touch is fine. Give it a very smooth press. Don't press it hard. The rice granules can break because basmati rices are very soft. After that, add your boiled eggs. The fried nuts and raisins. Your self-prepared color. that is milk and turmeric mixed. This is the biryani masala that we make at home. You can put your own preference masala. This is a cute smiley which I tried to make, but you can just put a little bit. So this is tawa which I use to make biryani. So the biryani pot goes over the tawa. While that is happening, I keep another tawa which is a cast iron actually. So keep another tawa for heat. So once I place a lid over the biryani layered pot, I place it over this lower tawa, which is the flat one, and then on top of that I keep the cast iron. So the heat will be from lower and up completely. It will go everywhere. The heat will reach everywhere. That's the whole point of it. It's like a mini oven. If you don't have a cast iron or a tawa or anything, just simmer the stove to the lowest and cook the layered biryani pot for about 25 minutes. That would be ideal, and your biryani is ready to serve.